Hi mga Didi! So today, I wanna share with you Australian wine that I got from Bello. Wow, Bello. Akala mo puro skincare, no? Hindi. Meron din silang mga wine products.
And share ko na rin itong very easy na Mediterranean salad that goes really well with the white wine I got. So for this recipe, I used feta cheese with cucumber and tomatoes. And then for the herbs, I used dill and a bit of oregano. And the most important part, a good extra virgin olive oil. And we're done! For the red wine pairing naman, usually red grapes and dark chocolate lang ako with a bit of sea salt.
So this one is actually by Justin and Crystal. Ano nga ba ang story ng kanilang Hearts and Vines? Parang from different country talaga yung packaging. Parang postcard, no? Ang cute. So we got two different kinds of wine today, white and red. And we're gonna pair them with some of easy plating na ginawa ko lang just to see if it goes well with the wine. So we got two wine glasses. So the shorter one that's rounder, it's for the red wine. And for this one, na medyo U-shape, this one's for the white wine. And kita mo yung difference. Ayan, meron ding deep bottom.
And tara guys, let's try their warm ripe red wine na Shiraz 2021.
So far, it's smelling really fruity and a little bit sweet.
And this is their luscious fruity white na Sauvignon Blanc 2024.
It smells pretty fruity but not too sweet again.
Sinadya ko talaga yung mga hindi sweet.
And let's try these two wines by Hearts and Vine. There's some slight sweetness to it. I like it, just the right amount na talagang gusto ko. And as for the fruitiness, it's super fruity, I would say. And ano ba sabi dito, guys? Sabi ko di ako marunong eh. Ah, yes. So sabi dito, guys, it's bursting with ripe cherries and red berry flavors. Smooth, soft finish with vanilla and warming spice. Actually, I agree with the notes. Sobrang berry-like niya. And as for the warming spice na sinabi doon, it's towards the end of your drink. Parang nandun siya. And so far, it's pretty light. Let's pair it with some chocolate I got from Lindt. I like my dark chocolate 70%. So ayan, I sprinkled some truffle salt. Sobrang bagay niya dito. Super yum. Wow. Guys, dark chocolate and red wine pairing. Always so solid. First time to try these wines and it's pretty good for the price. Wow. I made a very easy Mediterranean salad to go with their wine.
Don't forget to chill your salad and the white wine.
For their Sauvignon Blanc, it's actually considered sweeter than most. I think a pagka lemon. Oh, now that makes sense. Fresh lemon and lime. Flavors with luscious sweet passion fruit. Soft and round with a pleasant lemon meringue finish. Okay, now that makes sense. This is interesting. I've never had a very lemony white wine before. So ayun na guys, this is the two wines by Hearts and Vines. Ayan, perfect for gifting. So ayun na guys.